Lewis 2023 again still. To the emotional one now. Here's my story. Yo, this is my story, yep. My family say they're there for me, but they are not. When I was 3, I had family problems, and at the age of 8, I got told I have ADHD and autism. When I was 10, I had more problems. Then I got jumped by 20 lads. They thought they was bad, yeah, but are they mad? When I was 13, I got groomed. Watch when I see him out on 14, I got kicked out of school. Because a kid thought he was big and started on me, so I put him on the floor. My mum, dad, brother and sister have always had my back, and if they're ever in trouble, then I'll be there for them. I love you all. Safe.